Definitely working on a nice weather trend, Jim.
Yeah, I like the way it's headed, don't you?
Yeah.
The mornings have been a little cold, but the afternoons seem to be getting nicer and nicer. And the trend will continue for the rest of the week. But then, look out, it is still January. You know, we've got more cold weather coming. Now, the mornings have been, cold enough that it's a little bit uncomfortable in some locations, like at the airport this morning, where it was 24 degrees, actually a record low temperature at ABIA this morning. But as you know, that's typically the coldest location in Travis County, or one of the 2 or 3 coldest locations in the county, and we don't see lows much lower than that. Even in the hill country this morning, I think we had maybe a 23 or 22 here or there in only the coldest spots. At the Camp Mabry location, for example, in the city, didn't even drop quite to freezing, though it was close, 33. Ended up at 63 this afternoon, and we've got lots of sunshine on you, and you're out in the sun, and it's 63 degrees. It feels pretty good. Here's a live view from our tower camera. Now, you can see some clouds in the sky there off in the distance in particular. That's some Pacific moisture headed our way, not in the form of rain yet, but moisture in the form of some showers possibly as early as Saturday with this little system that's sending the clouds our way now. We'll talk more about that in a minute. This is your evening ahead. 61 right now, at 8 o'clock 50, and at 10 o'clock tonight we're down to about 45 degrees. So it will be another chilly night tonight. Temperatures around the area right now in the 60s, still out in parts of the hill country anyway. Alano coming in at 63, 59 degrees in Burnett, Georgetown at 61, 59 degrees over in Giddings. In the city again, 61. The air's real dry, 18, 20 degree dew points, and so typically in dry air, once the sun goes down, it starts cooling pretty rapidly. 61 degrees at ABIA. North-northeast winds at 3 to 8. When is sundown tonight? 6:03. Then you'll need your jacket shortly thereafter. Mold count 257 low, and Cedar 47 in the low category today. I don't think we'll be so lucky tomorrow. Both those numbers could come up just a little bit. Around the state, 50s and low 60s. Not a bad late January day really anywhere in Texas. A little patch of cloudiness in the sky today. A little more Pacific moisture, as I mentioned, coming at us from the southwest as a low pressure area that is located right here now begins to track slowly our direction. It will eventually get here, and then after it brings us some weekend rain, another dip in the jet just like this is going to carry some cold air down into Texas early next week. And then we will see another series of low pressure areas come at us from the west after that cold air arrives. So what's that going to mean overall? Well, it's going to mean rain this weekend, we do believe. Saturday, especially in Saturday night, could turn out to be a drier and not too bad Sunday afternoon. And then beyond this weekend, because of that configuration of the jet stream, that next low that's coming, I think we're going to end up with kind of a cold and rainy, at least first half of the week next week. And for the immediate future, nice tonight and tomorrow. We'll be watching that thickening cloud cover come our way on Friday. All right, tonight the lows back down around freezing. Highs tomorrow up in the mid-60s, pretty nice. Austin tonight 36. Tomorrow let's go 65. And here's your 7-day forecast. And we're thinking 69, maybe 70 on Friday. But darn it, Saturday gets here and we're going to cloud right up and see some light rain. And well, look at there, it could be with us for a while. Middle of next week looks cold and a little rainy.
Sure does.